light over here if we move around real quick. Okay. There's Blair. Happy New Year, bitch.
Happy New Year. And it's starting to rain, and I don't seem to care.
We're at Sammy's. Here I am, looking scary.
Ooh.
Ooh. Me and Blair were just discussing the possibility of us riding the horses that are over in that barn. And then when Sammy wakes up in the morning, we're gonna fucking make her some pancakes and some waffles and shit and bring her coffee in bed, and then we're gonna go ride the horses like a happy family.
But first we have to go to like Circle K or something to get some syrup. Wait a second, it's starting to rain. I need to get my pulling blankets.
Yeah, okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, it's raining. What the fuck?
Oh man. Oh man.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell Sam. Just don't tell her.
I don't know.
I feel like I have janitor's keys. I have like a million keys on this thing. I think it stopped raining.
It did stop raining.
Blankets?
That was a little rain. I don't feel like... Are you ready to go inside? Is this recording even? We're at Sammy's. Sammy's passed out. It's 4 a.m. It's been 5 a.m. for like 7 hours. You just dropped that right in the fucking mud.
No.
Oh, shit. What is this?
I think those are my pants.
Oh, no. Ew.
Oh, look at the butt cheeks.
Ew.
Oh.
It looks like someone had barfed hamburger on it. Ew. Are we going in?
No, you gonna drop this stuff off and back out here. Intermission, ladies and gentlemen, of 2011.
Okay, bye. We'll be right back, bitch.